dong bell. Ding dong bell, pussy in the well. Who poured her in? Little Tommy Tin. Who poured her out? Little Johnny Scout. What a naughty boy was there to hurt poor pussycat. Good night, sleep tight. Good night, sleep tight, wake up bright in the morning light to do what's right with all your might. First star. Starlight, starlight, for star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating some curds and whey. There came a great spider and sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.